Guys, good evening. It's currently around 4:25, and today I'm going to cook one of my favorite meals. So I'm going to share it with you guys. My favorite food. My mom know how to cook it very well. So it's Tuwon Shinkafa, Miyar, Taushe. I love it so much. It's one of my favorite food, and yeah. So I will come to my sister's house. She was like, "Can you cook it for me?" I was like, "Yeah." So let's go to the kitchen and I want to show you how we did it. And I promise you guys, you will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it. My mom's know how to cook it. She is the best, and I miss her cooking. I miss her so much. Allah matarahama. So bye. I'm gonna make this and this with this. Those. Cái có cái ăn mình đâu phải gì hết. Mà được